Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome, and those who are the oldies, welcome back. I appreciate it. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a first impression of the Sensational Dash Lead unit with the lace front unit, and it's unit 2. And this is what she looks like, and I got it in the color rose gold. She looks lovely, and it's a deep center part, ear to ear lace, and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So it's always nice when you can put heat in these synthetic wigs. So these are the colors that it comes in, and I'm gonna take it out of the box so you guys can see it. So this is my first ever rose gold unit, so I'm pretty excited about that. I can't wait to see what it looks like on me. So this is what the model looks like, and yeah, just from looking at it, so it comes with all the little colors that comes with it, so that's pretty nice. Ooh, might have to get some of these other colors. But ow. Okay, I'm gonna have to use my scissors. Yeah, just from looking at it, the baby hair are pretty long. I'm not gonna use it because I don't really care about baby hair. I don't know how to work with them, so I'm not gonna touch them. But this is what she looks like. Look at that color. Okay. Okay, so I have not even cut the lace out, and I'm already getting few strands of hair, and it is tangling. Like, look at that. That is not cool. Sensational. Come on now. Like, I haven't even touched it yet. It's already tangling and it's already shedding. So that's a huge disappointment. Very huge. But I like how they have the 1B color-ish right down, going down, and then it goes down to the rose gold. But this is the parting space. That's what it looks like. That's pretty decent. I'm not going to do anything with it besides put my powder. So that's pretty good. So for cap construction, it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And the material is a mesh, so it's very breathable and it's stretchable, so it'll be big hair friendly. So that's pretty good. Guess gotta look out for us big hair people. But yeah, so I'm gonna go put her on and I will be back. Alright guys, so this is what she looks like with the lace cut and a little bit of concealer on the parting. And I love her. I love the color. She's a nice unit. For the pricing, she's okay. She is okay. So I got this from Wig Types for like $23 and few change. And it's a nice one. She's pretty long. She stops me right like below my boobs, almost on my belly button. But she's a long one. Like, see, like I really wanted to love it. I really wanted to. The color, maybe because of the color, that's the only reason why I like it. But other than that, no. I think it's trash. Because it's like, it's tangling really bad, as you guys can see. And it's shedding. Like, it doesn't matter how many times I brush it. It is just shedding and tangling. Like, come on. But oh well. You win some and you lose some, so I'm really disappointed. I am, because I was excited. This is my first rose gold color unit, and it's gonna do me like this. Like, come on, Sensational, come on. But yeah, this is a party space. She's pretty decent. Like, I didn't do anything with it. I didn't plug it or whatsoever, so that's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around. So yeah, guys, what do you think about unit 2? I love the curl pattern. So yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.